Hello, welcome to the Smartphone Graphics Series brought to you by Prospero Digital and your host, Prospero. Now, I understand a lot of people want to do graphics with their mobile phones and are finding it difficult to do that. And in this series, I'll be taking you through every process to design with your mobile phone, be it your iPhone or your Android. Now, all you need to do is go to your Play Store. In the search bar, type in Canva, and the first thing that pops up is Canva. Now once you have Canva, simply open it. This is what you see. Now this is an introductory course to the smartphone graphics, so I'm just taking you through the templates. Here, you can explore Canva to see all the templates they have. Now, what is a template? A template is an already made design that will help you to make your work faster. When you click on the search bar at the top there, you get to type any type of template you're looking for. Let's start with the flyer for your business. You just type in flyer and tap the search button. There you go. Here are all flyers that you can make use of. Just go through all of them till you find the one that you actually want to use.